Welcome to our MooCommerce tutorial series. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to add products to your MooCommerce store. Whether you're selling physical items, digital products, or services, MooCommerce makes it easy to get started. Let's dive in. First, log into your MooCommerce admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to MooCommerce and click on Products. This will take you to the Product Management section. Next, click on the Add New button. This will open the product editor where you can enter all the details for your new product. Start by entering the product title. This is the name of your product and will be visible to your customers. Below the title, you can add a detailed description. This is where you highlight the features, benefits, and any other important information about your product. Scroll down to the Product Data section. Here, you can select the product type from options like Simple Product, Grouped Product, External or Affiliate Product, or Variable Product. On the right tab, you'll see all the options where you can check the categories, related brands, add tags, and product image. This will help you optimize your product in search engine. Let's go back to the Variable Product. There you will see the general settings, inventory where you can put your SKU and number of stock. Enter the SKU stock keeping unit if you have one, and check the Manage Stock if you want MooCommerce to track inventory. Here, you can also set the stock quantity and stock status. In the Shipping tab, you can enter the weight and dimensions of your product. These details are important for calculating shipping costs. The Linked Products tab allows you to upsell and cross-sell products. Upsells are products you recommend instead of the currently viewed product, while cross-sells are products you promote in the cart based on the current product. If your product has variations like different sizes or colors, you can add these under the Attributes tab. Once you've added your attributes, you can move to the Variations tab to create variations of your product based on these attributes. In the Advanced tab, you can add a purchase note, enable reviews, and set the menu order for your product. These options give you additional control over how your product is presented and managed. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to make your product live. Click the Publish button on the right side of the screen. Your product is now available for customers to purchase on your store. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your MooCommerce store. Keep exploring and customizing your products to suit your business needs. On the next video, we'll try adding categories and how one product can be in multiple categories, and as well as how to add your shipping details. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel.